So good morning, class 6. Today we are, after your midterm exam, we are going to start chapter number 11, light, shadow and reflection. So before starting the chapter, let's discuss the key terms of this chapter or the misunderstood words of this chapter first of all. And the aim of the chapter is to study that how light travels in a straight line. And second thing, we are going to study about shadows, how different shadows are formed. And one more thing about the reflection. We can see our reflection in the mirror. So how that can be possible? All that things we are going to study in this chapter. So before going further, let's discuss the misunderstood words. Few of the difficult words are there. So few I had found it out, and the words are at the end of the chapter 11. First is a luminous object. Simplest definition of luminous object is that the objects which gives off their own light, which emit their own light, that are known as luminous objects like sun, torch, bulb, fireflies. Yes, Chitra, you have raised hand. So these all are the examples of luminous objects. And on the other hand, non-luminous objects are the objects which do not have their own light, like chair, book, blackboard. Few more examples you can give. Can you give the examples of non-luminous objects in your surrounding? आपके आसपास जितने भी non-luminous objects हैं, kindly give me the examples. Which?
I have done misunderstood words.
Yes. What about else? Yes, Parnika.
Ma'am, the example of non-luminous object is diary or a bed.
Yes, bed, diary, notebook, pen,
When
pencil.
scissor, headphone.
Yes, these all are the objects which are non-luminous. These are not, why we are saying them as a non-luminous? Because they are not giving off light. Next comes a transparent object. So what do you mean by the transparent objects?
Object.
Yes, Chitra.
The materials allow light to pass through them.
Yes, Chitra, explain again.
Ma'am, it is allowing light to pass through it and is called transparent. There are some objects through which we can see but not very clearly.
Yes. So the object through which light can pass easily, that are known as transparent. And example of transparent are water, air, glass, etc., through which we can see clearly. Okay.
And clean paper and oily paper also.
That is a translucent beta. Next is a translucent object. So the object, who will tell me? You must have find out the definition of translucent object. Yes, Madhav, Tara. Madhav.
Okay, ma'am.
Transparent allowed light to pass
Both them, but not all light are called translucent objects. For
Okay.
example, clean paper and oily paper.
Okay. So translucent objects are the objects through which light does not pass clearly. That are known as translucent object. Next comes the opaque object. Yes, Chitra?
Then can I tell?
Ma'am, if we cannot see through an object at all, it is an opaque object.
Opaque word. hai. Yes, Parnika, explain again.
It is opaque objects. The substance which do not allow to pass the light through there is called occupy.
Beta, it's opaque. This word is opaque objects. Can you
Opaque
name
object.
the opaque objects in your surroundings? Many of the opaque objects are there through which light can't pass. The wall of your room, book, cement sheet, or whatever is lying around you. Can you give me few more example of opaque objects?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
door,
door and
ma'am, table,
ma'am, cardboard
chair,
box
ma'am,
or
walls,
wooden box.
door.
Yes, cardboard, table, chair, door, that all are the examples of opaque objects. If you want to if you want to see in the another room, that what happens? Then you can't see because there is a wall. Okay. And if you close the door, you can't see what is happening outside because door which is made up of wood is also an example of the opaque objects. Next
Ma'am,
word is
can I tell you
shadow.
shadow?
Next example, next word is shadow. Yes, Arnav Tomar.
A shadow is a space where light source is blocked by an opaque object.
Shadow, everybody must have seen your own shadow. So the shadow is formed by the opaque object. Have you seen your shadow, children? During the daytime, during the night time, you must have seen your shadow. And how shadow is formed? When you stand in the opposite direction from the source of light. अगर आप बल्ब या ट्यूबलाइट के ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में स्टैंड करते हैं, then your shadow is formed. Okay. Next, kindly write down for pinhole camera. It's a device. Pinhole camera. It's a device which forms a photograph-like image of a bright object on a screen. In this chapter, will study about the pinhole camera also. That what is the function of pinhole camera. Okay, we are going to study about that, how to make it. You can make your own pinhole camera. Okay. So next is a rectilinear propagation of light. Very, very important. Light always travel in a straight line. So this property is known as rectilinear propagation of light. Kindly mark in your book, children. Next word is mirror. Every day you stand in front of the mirror. Do you stand in front of the mirror?
An object which reflects the light.
Yes, mirror is an object which reflects the light. Okay, Chitra, tell.
That shown the light traveling along straight line and getting reflects from a
Mirror. Light travels in a straight line and that is shown by the mirror. Light always travel in a straight line. Okay. Next word is reflection. Children, all these words we are going to use in our chapter. Reflection. Reflection word ka I must give you the simple meaning. Bouncing back of light is known as reflection. As you throw a ball, अगर आप बॉल फेंकते हैं दीवार की तरफ, the ball comes to you again. बॉल आपके पास आता है दोबारा से. In the same way, the light comes back to you.
Can I tell the reflection?
Yes, tell.
When a ray of light falls on a smooth and polished surface, light returns back in the same medium.
Yes. So in the same medium, light gets reflected. It comes back to you. That is known as reflection. Next, reflected ray and incident ray, that I will explain you with the help of a diagram. Children, are these words in your book? Reflected ray and incident ray? Check at the back exercise. New words. Check in the new words. These words are there. Reflected ray or incident ray? If it is not there, then you can leave it. Next word is eclipse. It's very important. The formation of the shadows of celestial body on the another. on one another in the space is known as the celestial, this eclipses. So kindly underline the definition of eclipse. Any other word which has been left, children? See the new words.
Ma'am, please see the list.
Eclipse is a formation of a shadow of a celestial body on the another one in the space. That is known as eclipse. So these are the terms, misunderstood words of this chapter number 11. Do it again. Okay. So as Zunair is showing the reflection of light, he is throwing that light in the mirror and we can see that light. Zunair, do it again. Wonderful.
Do it again.
Very good, beta.
And I'm here.
Yes, yes. Children, how is it looking? Excellent, it is. So this is the
Ma'am,
best,
nice.
yes, this is the best example of reflection of light. He is showing this light in the mirror and that light we can see on the wall. So this is an example of reflection of light. Good, beta, good.